Felt panels featuring 12 bricks are incredibly easy to install, allowing for quick and efficient application. Grouting can be completed on the same day, speeding up the entire process. These panels not only provide excellent sound and thermal insulation, but also save up to 10 times more on labor costs due to their simplicity. A single worker can cover 80 to 100 square meters, approximately 900 square feet, in a day, making it a highly efficient solution. The bricks adhere firmly to walls using silicone, glue, or similar adhesives, ensuring durability and stability. Additionally, the felt material protects the bricks during transportation, guaranteeing that products arrive in perfect condition. Lightweight and eco-friendly, these panels are resistant to moisture and mold, require minimal tools for installation, and are suitable for both residential and commercial spaces. Their customizable designs enhance any aesthetic, while their low maintenance and long-lasting performance make them a practical and stylish choice for modern construction.